Hello, I'm Mandar Gokarn from Sanjay Tools and Adhesives. Welcome to TLC Expo 2026. Sanjay Tools and Adhesives is a sales and marketing company from Nashik, and we sell our product all across India. We are introducing here the compact electrostatic filter, and the name is STAFO. This is particularly made for sliding head automats and circular saw machines. Every entrepreneur is supporting their team members for clean air. And this equipment exactly does that. So whatever the fumes and smoke from the machine and mist from the machine, it has to be taken out, and it has to be taken out very efficiently, and that's why electrostatic filters are very capable of doing that. The only problem is still that the electrostatic filters are very big in sizes, but now with this STAFO 500 or STAFO 1000, we are bringing up very compact electrostatic filters. It is the most safe and most efficient electrostatic filter in India right now.